In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace old or broken door handle on 4th generation Tahoe, Suburban, Silverado, Yukon, or Sierra. First, open the door and remove this rubber hole plug. Inside, you're going to find a single screw holding the door handle. And as you will see, this is surprisingly very simple and easy fix. This one is a T25 star screw. You do not need to completely take out the screw, otherwise it's certainly going to fall down inside the door and you may never be able to get it out of there. Instead, loosen the screw just enough to be able to take out the door lock cap. Then you're going to be able to easily take it out. And there you're going to see that screw sitting there nice and secure. Next, push the door handle towards the back of the car and take it out. These door handles are absolutely symmetrical and you can flip it upside down and move it to the other side of your car and install it there, because chances are the bottom is still completely intact and looks fine. Which means you can do this fix with no money out of pocket at all. Otherwise, if your handles are not usable anymore or if they are broken, you can buy replacement parts relatively inexpensively. And if you're interested, I'm going to drop the links for these door handles down in the comments section below. Installing the new handle is a bit tricky, but you can use a fishing line and pull onto this lock mechanism inside the door to be able to engage it with the notch on the door handle. Insert the front part of the door handle first. Then pull onto the door lock mechanism and engage it with the other side of the door handle. Next, carefully open the door handle and then gently pull out the fishing line. Reinstall the door lock cap. Tighten the screw and then reinstall the rubber plug. Test your new door handle from the outside as well as the inside of your car. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and please subscribe for more DIY repair videos like this. Thanks, bye.